Kotlin tutorial number 1. What is Kotlin? One line of Kotlin replaces 30 lines of Java for a data class, equals, hashCode to string, and copy all generated for free. Unlike Java, Kotlin runs on the JVM, compiles to native, and compiles to JavaScript, all from the same source. Google made it the official Android language in 2019. Kotlin compiles to 3 targets. JVM bytecode, runs anywhere Java runs, native binaries, no JVM needed. And JavaScript. 100% interoperable with Java, you can call Java from Kotlin and Kotlin from Java in the same project without any adapter layer. Java's null pointer exception was called the billion-dollar mistake by its inventor. Kotlin eliminates it at compile time. String can never be null. String can. The compiler forces you to handle null before the code runs, not after your app crashes in production. Kotlin infers types from the right-hand side. You write val name equals Alex, and the compiler knows it is a string. No redundant type declarations everywhere. You can still write the type explicitly when it aids readability, but 90% of the time you don't need to. Kotlin replaces Java's switch with when, a far more powerful expression that returns a value, matches on ranges and types, and requires no break statements. Use it without an argument, and each branch becomes a Boolean condition, replacing chains of if else. Extension functions add methods to existing classes without subclassing or modifying them. Define fun string, word count, and every string in the codebase gains that method. The compiler compiles them to static utility functions, so there is zero runtime overhead.